Shiba Inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Shiba. My friends, what's the current price of Shiba, what's the price in Soko in the Shiba, and this video I will show you friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, at this time price of the Shiba Inu you can see here now on the screen, but I want to request everyone, please request you all of you, if you listen my voice at this time, so please click the subscribe button and like this video. Please, I request everybody, click the subscribe button and like this video. I hope you all subscribe my channel. Now let's see the latest update. First of all, if you look the latest price of the Shiba in this time, so 0.00001 USD dollar is the currently price of the Shiba, and Bitcoin price is 0.00 is the BTC price of the Shiba at this time. My friends, let's see the price chart. A lot of people ask me that when will they take a huge pump. So finally friends, I have good news for all of you. After watching this video, so you will feel very happy. Keep watching this video till the end. Now if you look the last 1 hour price change of the Shiba, last 24 hours price change of the Shiba, last 7-day price chart of the Shiba, so you can easily understand the whole change occurring at this time and the Shiba is going positive. Last 1 hour price change, I really like the last 1 hour price change of the Shiba Inu, and I'm very happy. Now once again the great time, the big time of the Shiba Inu are coming soon. Very soon we are in the moon, my friends. Let's see the price chart for more details, my friends. Now this time the price chart is missing of the Shiba, but my friends, the good news is that Shiba Inu will take a huge pump, my friends. Shiba Inu will take a huge pump on the last of this week, on the 6th June, as the huge pump of the Shiba Inu are coming soon, so wait for it. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Shiba? Please tell me in the comment box, and get ready for the 6th June, the huge pump are coming soon. Please subscribe for more updates.